And he's struggling with that. And so they're playing the wind on where you're supposed to land because they only had a few acres.
Yeah.
And the people around them didn't like, they had like, cattle and stuff. They didn't want you jumping on the cattle.
Extra points for that.
And so they said, all right, so now you're going to have to listen to me. Get out there. And then when I tell you to jump, you got to jump because the farmer beside us doesn't like when we land in their place, And so that's the kind of operation we're dealing with. So anyway, Bubby's taking forever to get out there. He's getting out there and he's scooting down the little step, And that guy's going, go! 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 And Bubby's inching out there. And that guy's going, go! And Bubby gets like this and he goes, okay, I'm ready. Go! And then he went, boom! He just did a complete.
He's flipped. Let me see if I can find that picture. That picture.
Oh my! I gotta tell you this. We had about 15, 20 people trying out for this, and there was this one guy from Ohio named David, and he screwed up everything. I mean,
The training all morning.
he couldn't do. He did nothing right, And so when they got a chance to ask who goes first, well, David volunteered, and we thought, oh.
No, they picked David.
Oh,
We thought they picked him because he's the worst. And they thought, if he can do it, everybody can do it.
And that's what we thought. Now, we're going to watch David because we're not sure we want to do this. And if David survives, we'll do it. David jumps out, and he misses the field that Shawn's talking about.
Almost lands.
And so there's a cow pasture there with a bunch of cows in it. I mean, a lot of cows. And they're done. They're just grazed. And David's coming down. And he's coming down right. And we thought, is David going to land on those cows? So David comes down and misses the cow, but hits right in the middle of the herd. And all of a sudden they're going, they're just running around everywhere.
And David comes up, he's got cow shit all over him.
He really did.
So we thought, hey, we can do this.
David made it. We got it.
I can't believe he volunteered to go first.
That's hilarious.
That's been 28 years ago.
But they said, now come down and don't look down because that'll fool you. Look straight out and you'll know when you're going to hit, So I was looking down and it was really a beautiful. I mean, just to float in the air down.
I bet as soon as that parachute opened, you probably
Yes,
feel
that
great.
was. Oh, okay, yeah.
So I was getting close, so I looked out, and they said, "Now, as soon as you hit, jump up and go get on your parachute, because wind may catch it and drag you off." And so I did, and wham! Man, I hit, and I fell hard, and it hurt. I mean, I was hurting
because you couldn't. Again, we practiced all morning, and we did not practice going backwards. So we all of us.
And so I was laying there, and I thought, I am not getting up and running over that parachute. I'm going to lay here until I can get up. I don't feel like getting up. And so I just laid there. But anyway, when we looked up, and here comes Shea with his parachute all wadded up. And
Actually, we're watching Shea come down.
Yeah.
And he's heading right for some trees, which is not ideal. And he comes down, and the canopy just is bringing trees and branches with it. And then pretty soon Shea comes walking up the hill because he landed like several hundred yards away from the landing spot, and he's got his parachute and his branches sticking out. The poor soul that had to use that thing next probably didn't open right.
Did you all hit the field?
Yeah.
Okay.
Didn't you hit, and when you went to roll, you actually rolled uphill, or which one of you tried to roll and you rolled uphill?
All I did was splat. I
I
It
rolled
hurts,
backwards.
man.
One of you hit, and when you hit, you try to roll, and you realize you're
Yeah,
rolling
you
up.
tried to, but well, you hit so fast and it's so hard. You just,
That's crazy because I don't think you can even jump on your own nowadays, can you? Like without
The static line.
extensive training?
I
Yeah.
don't
Oh,
know.
you got to go through
Yeah,
training.
Yeah,
oh, we
Yeah,
had
it's a
extensive
week.
training. Yeah.
More than 4 hours of training, I think you have to go.
He had to go
Look,
through
punch,
to
and
be
pull.
with
Just to be
someone.
with
Yeah,
somebody.
look, punch
yeah.
and pull. There
That
you
wasn't
go.
4, it was probably about 2 hours.
No,
It was
look,
fun,
punch.
man. I'm not
Look,
lying.
pull,
It was a
punch.
rush. It was.
Look.
It was.
And y'all just, I mean, it's just funny that like 4 hours of training and y'all
Right,
were
yeah.
jumped out right on your
Well, we thought we
At
were
least
good.
y'all didn't have trouble with like getting like spinning or anything, did you? Like getting caught in a spin or anything?
No,
That would be my fear, like going on my own. Like